Paradiso, owner of Paradiso Insurance, and today I just wanted to take a few minutes to explain the ever claims that are happening out there and the ever importance of your liability insurance on your homeowner's policy. Recently we had a claim where a delivery person from a well-known company like FedEx, DHL, and or UPS slipped and fell while delivering a package to one of our insureds on their property. And what ended up happening was that company, who then took care of the delivery person through workers' compensation, then came back and sued the individual who was our client and their homeowner's policy for the injuries. Those injuries were in excess of $600,000 of medical bills. Unfortunately, this delivery woman shattered her hip, and she was in her mid to late 30s, but because she could not ever walk the same way again, nor could she ever run, unfortunately the slip and fall and the shattering of her hip was pretty severe. The settlement was in excess of $796,000. If you look at your homeowner's policy, a lot of people say to us, hey, I have $300,000, that's more than enough. Unfortunately, in today's times, with injuries happening like this, and a lot of people that are unfortunately sue happy, $300,000 is no longer enough. We would recommend to you to really look at your homeowner's policy, have a minimum of $500,000. In this case, $500,000 wouldn't have been enough. Hopefully you would have had an umbrella. In this case, the insured did have $500,000 of coverage, along with an umbrella, which was of $1 million, that our clients paid $212 to have, which ended up paying in excess of $350,000 off of that umbrella. The end of the story is our insured was okay. They didn't lose all kinds of money. But when we talk about homeowners claims and we talk about claims, why we talk about the coverages is because we see these every day. These are tough situations, and in today's times where we are all trying to pinch a penny, we got to make sure that when it comes to the liability coverage, pinching a penny is not the right thing to do. We want to make sure you're covered. We want to make sure that it's not costing you hundreds of thousands of dollars because a claim did go over your homeowner's liability. So think about your homeowner's liability and think about it as a small investment. In most cases, from $300 to $500, it's less than $12 a year, not a month, but an actual year difference. Some carriers do go up to $1 million. We would recommend that because once again, you're probably talking about $20 a year difference in cost. These claims happen, and unfortunately they do happen, but we want to make sure you're covered. So think about that today, and unfortunately claims happen and the coverage is there for a reason, and you want to make sure you have the right coverage.